Today we're taking a look at the Strainrite reel mount post. It's the perfect tool for any grazier who's using multiple strands of braided electric or electric tape in their grazing operation. Now the reel mount post doesn't come with reels, but as you can see, you can use just about any reel that you might have on hand as long as it has their traditional metal frame and handle assembly. Typically your handle would attach right here on the reel. All you need to do is loosen and remove this nut and bolt to take the handle off, and then use that same nut and bolt to mount the reel frame to the mounting post. The reel mount post is intended to be used up against an existing post or a semi-permanent post. We're going to show you how to do that, but first I'm going to use my remote to put the fence on standby with no voltage so I'm not getting shocked while using the post. Once you have the reels attached, you can just bring the mounting post over to your permanent post. You can step it in the rest of the way, and from there we're just going to use our chain with our fence off to wrap around our wood post and hook it on the hook on the other side. When you're installing the reel mount post, one thing to keep in mind is that no part of the post is contacting an electrified wire, otherwise this would cause your fence to ground out. With the reel mount post anchored to a stationary post, we can unlock the bobbins so that they spin freely, and you can pay out the lines individually or all at once. Now that our lines are paid out, we can actually use the reels and the handles to set our tension right here. All we need to do is re-engage our locking tabs and crank until tight. And tension is set. You can electrify these lines either from the handle end, especially if you're using a Zammer handle, or by running a jumper from the hot line on the fence to the metal loop on the bobbin. You can do this individually or by using a triple jumper. Now the setup is complete, we can turn our energizer back on to get electric flowing from the perimeter fence into our internal paddock divisions. When you're ready to move this to your next paddock division, all you need to do is unhook from the other end, remove any step-in posts in the way, and just reel in the twine from the crank handle. You may need to guide it so that it loads evenly as you go. This you would obviously do with your fence off. Lastly, we can just unhook our chain while the fence is still off, pull our post out, and carry it to the next location. Visit Kencove.com to find the Strainrite reel mount post, and be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more fencing tips and expert advice.